Mrs. M, and welcome to my neighborhood. Today, I want to share with you one of my favorite classroom fidgets. It's called an infinity cube. Well, there's a few things you might need in order to make an infinity cube. First, you need 8 blocks. Mine are 3/4 inches, and I got them off of Amazon. Next, you need 3 colors of different duct tape. I have here one that's flowered, one with a neat geometric design, and then a shiny blue. You will also need a good pair of scissors, and for the beginners, a pencil is nice. So, first step, we need to organize our blocks. We're going to go in sets of 2 and place our sets into 2 in nice little piles. So we'll have 4 piles of sets of 2 that we notice here. Next, we're going to take our first color of duct tape. I'm choosing the shiny blue. So, for my first step, I've already pre-cut little strips of duct tape that are just slightly longer than my set of 2 for the cubes. I'm going to pinch my cubes together tightly and place my duct tape over the top and press down firmly. I will notice that my duct tape edges kind of extend along this long side. You're going to need to cut those pieces off. I'm going to take my scissors, and with my duct tape, it cuts better when it's turned upside down, and snip those long edges off in 2 quick snips. Then, I'm going to hold my duct tape and I'm going to place down that extending piece over the long side and press it down. That helps strengthen my cube for later on. Once I finish that first one, I'm going to finish the job with Well, now that I've finished putting the blue on each one of my sets, I'm going to slide my front 2 sets and my back 2 sets together to make a group of 4. Now, in order to attach them, I need to connect the 2 pieces together. So I'm going to fold the ends over, and I know I'm going to connect these bottom 2. So I'm going to choose a different color of duct tape and connect these bottom 2. We now should have 2 sets of blocks that are connected with 4 blocks in each set. I'm going to slide my 2 sets together for my next step, and I'm going to notice that the flowers are on the outside pieces and the blue is facing up. I'm going to slide it so you can see where the blocks are facing long with the 2 blocks facing directly towards you. Now, the next piece of tape I'm going to use is my first tape I started with, which is the blue color, or the color that's on the top. Now, I'm going to turn these 2 blocks up, so it essentially looks like an L here. Now, I'm going to be taping the top block here together with my blue tape. Now, for those that are just beginning, this is when I like you to take out your pencil. This helps us keep track which blocks get which color of tape. I'm going to be labeling every block that doesn't have duct tape on it with a 1, 2, or 3 so that I know which color of tape goes on it. Now I know that blue is on this side, so I know when I reverse it over, blue is going to be on this side as well, so I'm going to put 1s on these blocks. And it will look like this. Go ahead and finish numbering your blocks. Alright, my blocks are all numbered, and I'm going to take this next step just a little slow so you can see it. This was the very first tape that we did with the flowers on the side here. Now, if I open mine up one step, I'm going to notice that I've numbered my block with all the number 2s, but I also know that there's a seam that connects the 2 blocks here with the duct tape on the reverse side. So I know I'm going to need a long piece of duct tape with my second tape color. I'm going to go ahead through my entire block looking for those seams and taping them with the appropriate tape color next. After you have all of your seams done, go ahead and finish taping the individual squares. Make sure you're taking special care that you don't overextend the tape on a side that has the full tape covered already. Go ahead and complete that.
We had fun making infinity cubes with you. See you next time!